Hello guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about template design pattern. First of all, what is template design pattern? It says just defines skeleton of a function in an operation, deferring some steps to its subclasses. Okay guys, and first of all, template design pattern main advantage is nothing but reusability of code. Okay, and assume like guys, what I will do means I will first explain an example. Based on that, I will start implementation of my template pattern. Okay, assume like I was building an Android application. Okay, and my Android application name is 99 games. In my app I have many games, means if you open my Android application I have many games like chess, cricket and so on. Okay, and guys, if you observe, common thing in every game is starting and ending. You want to start a game and you want to end a game. Forgot about the logic. Chess have a different logic and cricket have different logic and soccer have different logic. You have different logic for different games, but for every game you have to start a game and end a game. For this starting and ending, you should write definitely some logic. And what I will do means, I will show you guys. First of all, I will create a project. Now I will show what I will do by implementing this template design pattern. First of all, now I am creating a Java project. And I'm naming my application as 99 games and just click on finish guys. Now what I will do means, I will create an abstract class. Okay, abstract class, and I will name it as game. Here I will create two abstract methods. Okay, abstract void start and abstract void end. Okay, and now just I want to create a method, public void play. Here just I want to start I want to call my start method and end method. Okay, and now I want to create a class which is a chess class. Here I want to extend my chess class with my game class, my game abstract class. Now just I want to add my unimplemented methods here. Okay, now I have added this unimplemented method guys. I can say like welcome to chess game, and here I am printing a message like, do you want to exit chess game? And now I want to create another class guys, which is soccer, and I want to extend it with game now. Again system.out.println, welcome to soccer game, and again here I am printing a message. Do you want to exit this game? Okay guys, and just what I will do means I will just create a main class. Here you can see how I am using this template design pattern. Okay, just demo. Here I will demo you how I am using this template design pattern. Okay guys, do you remember at the starting I said for every game starting in and ending is common? Means what I am doing means I am creating an abstract method. There I am storing these methods. I am creating an abstract class, and there I am creating this abstract method, and I am using these methods in my different games. Here we have just two games guys. what I have said, I am creating an app named 99 games and it have 99 games in my app. Means assume like there are 99 classes for everyone. You can I can say like you do not want to create these two methods, and if you create it in an abstract class named game, means you can reuse the two methods by using this abstract class. Means by using this template design pattern we can reuse it. Okay, now I will demo you guys. Game is equal to new chess and I want to call it from here. Let's run our application, guys. Okay, I got this one right. Welcome to chess and you want to exit chess game. Again here, let's take soccer. Now again I want to run it. If you guys observe this, welcome to soccer game and you want to exit this game. Means here the business logic, I can say like the game logic may differ, but for every game one thing is common: starting the game and ending the game. Now I want to reuse the methods by keeping it in an abstract class. Okay, assume like it is a template and I am reusing the template in my chess game, soccer game, and if I have 50 games in that 50 classes, I will use this template. Okay, by using this we can get some reusability of code and our time will be also saved. By just extending my game abstract class, I can reuse these methods. Okay, time savers and reusability of code is main concept of this template design pattern, guys. I think so you guys got it. If you have any queries also, you can comment it in comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.